Today I'm in a beautiful master planned community, Sterling on the Lake. Not only does this neighborhood overlook this beautiful lake, it also happens to be in an excellent location here in Flowery Branch, Georgia. This master planned community consists of several smaller neighborhoods. You have single-family production homes, single-family custom homes, townhomes, and even a 55 and over mini community. So you have a lot of options to choose from within this neighborhood. If you're thinking about making the move to Georgia and are in search of the perfect neighborhood for you and your family, you're not going to want to miss this video. So let's get started. My name is Tanya Cristiano with the White Street Homes, and I get calls every day from people just like you looking for help making the move to Atlanta, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to make a move in 9 or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. So as I mentioned, today I'm in a master planned community called Sterling on the Lake in Flowery Branch, Georgia, which is located about 40 miles north of Atlanta. This particular community is in an excellent location within Flowery Branch. You have your Publix, TJ Maxx, Target, and Home Depot under 2 miles from here. You also have Lake Lanier Islands with everything it has to offer just 6 miles from here. And there's a huge Northeast Georgia Medical Center also 6 miles down the road. Another one of my favorite things is that we are only 4 miles away from downtown Flowery Branch, which is this quaint little historic town with cute dining options. One of my favorite restaurants is Antebellum, which offers some great Southern home cooking. You really get to experience this small hometown feel in this cute little historic area. Today, I'm going to give you a little tour around this neighborhood, and then I'm going to show you some examples of homes that are available in different price points, so that you can really see what may work for you within your budget. Now, other than the 55 and older community, there is no new construction opportunities in this neighborhood, but there are resale homes hitting the market regularly. So if you're interested in living here, reach out to me and I will get you all the available inventory. But for now, let's get started with our tour. So the house directly behind me is an excellent example of a resale home that is currently available within this neighborhood. Now, this house is listed at $670,000 and it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and just under 5,000 square feet. So I think it's a great value. Now, this house was built in 2007, so there are some opportunities with some updates and renovations, but all in all, it looks like it's in very good condition. In fact, the house directly across from it did an exterior renovation and it looks fabulous. It really does. I'm going to show it to you. But all in all, being in this neighborhood, such a family-friendly place, walkable, sidewalks everywhere, trails, parks, great amenities, I think it's an excellent value. Behind me is another example of a resale home currently available within this subdivision. And I chose it because I really just like this area of the community because it has all these little cottages and I think they're just really adorable. This particular house is listed at $610,000. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,400 square feet. It was built in 2019, and I really like how updated it is. It has a beautiful open floor plan, a nice kitchen, and I really just like the layout and flow. So anyway, I think it's another great value for this subdivision, and I love this section of the community. So this house directly behind me is another good example of a resale home that is currently available within this subdivision. Now this house is listed at $395,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a little over 1,600 square feet. It was built in 2015, so it is more updated. It has a nice, bright, open floor plan, beautiful white kitchen. So you can see that it's a little bit more, updated. It is located in the cluster portion of this community, so the homes are closer together, the lots are smaller, but I think to be under $400,000 and be in such a nice community, I think it's a great deal. So what did you think about this community? I think that this is one of the best Georgia communities we have, but I'd really love to know what you thought in the comments. Well, that's a wrap for this neighborhood tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are moving to Atlanta and need help figuring out which neighborhood is the best fit for you and your family, or if you're interested in this awesome community, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to be your realtor and help you through the entire process. Also, I'm going to be posting all kinds of videos on the suburbs of Atlanta, from pros and cons to the cost of living and even house and neighborhood tours, just like this one. So if you want to learn more about where to live in Atlanta, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current real estate opportunities. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.